what's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. And this is the lunchtime in Ho Chi Minh City, and I'm sitting at one of the place that they sell one of the really great noodle, Vietnamese noodle named bún thịt nướng. And today I will show you one place that they have a really good quality and also a cheap price for you to come and try bún thịt nướng. And this is the place that I'm talking about. They selling bún thịt nướng. The address is 175 Giang Street in District 1. And you can come here by Grab or taxi or car. It's okay. And if you cannot go there, you can order the food deliverings. So they got foodies. They got delivery now. If you install an app, and you can find them on the app, or you can order Grab food, and then they will go and then pick you up, and you pay a little bit more the price for the food, for the delivering service. So I just ordered my dish today, the bún thịt nướng, and this one is the combinations of vermicelli noodle, the charcoal grill pork, the fried spring roll, and on top they will top it with some green onions, oil, peanut, and pickled vegetable. And we will eat that with the sweet fish sauces together with the chili, the big chili. So one thing that you want to know about this one is the thing that we can eat that for breakfast, for lunch, or for dinner also. So actually you can enjoy that every day. And this one you also can eat that in Ho Chi Minh cities, or in the central side in Da Nang or Huế, Hội An, or in Hanoi also. So let's get into it. So here it is, and first of all I will put some chilies into the fish sauce and mix it up, because I love chili, I love spicy food together, and then put it into the dish like this, and mix it up. Yeah, and in the bottom they will got some types of vegetable. They got the lettuce, cucumbers, some bean sprout, and some Vietnamese herb, including mint, coriander. So first we have to mix it up, so the noodle can absorb the sweet fish sauce, and then we will eat them together. Okay, my first bite I will eat that with this one, the spring roll. This one looks super good. And then okay, let's try the first bite. This one. So, okay, first bite. Cheers. Wow. This one really good spring roll. And the second bite. And a little bit of noodle. The
meat here is sweet and it has the smoky flavor, which is really good. Okay, I will finish.
And they got the menus display on the words, so they also got the English subtitle if you want to. And this place will open from 6 in the mornings until 8 p.m. And they also got the shipping service if you installing some app, the food ordering app. I will link below one of my article writing about the food, the app that you should install when you travel to Vietnam. And they also got some drinks. They got some traditional rings and the soft ring. They even got the free Wi-Fi. Here's for you to try.